If you're not making money online, you're missing out. In 2021, YouTube made 58 billion US dollars from ads revenue alone. Meanwhile, Nigeria as a country from the sales of crude oil made only 20 billion US dollars. This means that YouTube alone made up to 3 times the whole money that Nigeria made from selling crude oil in 2021. And 55% of the money made by YouTube was given to YouTube creators. See, while all these politicians are busy chasing the oil money to share, you can chase a different kind of money, and that is YouTube. And the way to do it is through YouTube automation business. It is not hard at all, at least. It is not as hard as trying to get one of these big politicians to help you get a job in a government parastatal. It is not as hard as that. It is as simple as you doing it in your room. You don't know how to do it? No problem. YouTube Automation Conference is just around the corner, and it's the Abuja edition. Abuja YouTube Automation Conference will guide you through everything you need to set up a successful YouTube automation business from start to finish. And you can start earning as much as 10,000 US dollars on a monthly basis, completely passive income. The best way for you to make money online in 2022 and going into 2023 is to start a YouTube automation business. So don't waste any time. If you don't know how to go about it, the Abuja YouTube Automation Business Conference is here to help. November 19 is the date. Merit House is the venue. All right. You can click on the link below to join this conference. Secrets that will make you financially free will be released. Don't miss out. Click the link to join now, because once we reach a certain threshold, we're going to close the gate. We want you to start making money. Dollar is over 730 naira now. Inflation is over 18%. Prices of food items have more than doubled, yet your salaries have not increased. Therefore, if you're going to survive the hardship that is coming, if you think things are hard now, just wait. Things are going to get a little harder, even from next year. Because you see, technically, the government have refused to remove subsidy, and the plan is to push it to next year, to the next government. So once they do that, things will become more difficult. Things will become harder. So to avoid it or to be prepared for it, you need to find a way to make money outside of your salary. And that way is your YouTube automation business. It is simple to do if you know how. And that is why you need to click the link below in the description and also in the pinned comment to join Abuja YouTube Automation Business Conference. You will never be broke again after this.